In today's market, there are many 75% custom keyboards that can easily be considered the best budget option. The latest contender for that is the JRIS75, and it has a decent sound profile, typing feel, and a very unique catch-ball system that makes for easy disassembly of the top case. Most of all, it is very affordable, which is the winning quality of this keyboard. So if that's what you want out of a 75% keyboard, keep on watching this review of the JRIS75. The JRIS75 for the international market starts at only $180 US. If you're here in Malaysia, it starts at 696 ringgit from Rebult Keyboards, which is the Malaysian proxy for the JRIS75. For that kind of money, you're getting a very good 75% keyboard. It has a gasket mounting system where you can change the stiffness of it, whether you want a stiffer typing experience or a softer typing experience. Aside from that, you can also change what's on the top right of the keyboard. For our particular build, it's an LED light, but you can also put in a knob if that's what you want out of this keyboard. And remember what I said about the easy disassembly of the JRIS75's top case? Well, I'm gonna do that right now. All I need to do is just push down on top, gently, release the catch ball, and that's it. The top case is off. So you can easily change the gasket stiffness to your preference, and you can even easily tune the steps and whatnot because it's just so easy to take off the top case. As for other aspects of the JRIS75, it's what you've come to expect from a really good custom keyboard. Its sound profile, for one, is neither too talky or too clacky. If I were to describe it, it would be somewhere in the middle of the two extremes, and to my ears, that is a good thing. As for the typing feel, even for the stiffer setting of this gasket mounting system, it's still quite soft and I love it. It still has a nice bounce to it and it's very comfortable for long typing sessions. All in all, the JRIS75 is a really good 75% custom keyboard for the money, and this applies to many other keyboards in the market now, and to me, that is a good thing. Whether you like the aesthetics of the QK75 or the JRIS75, both of these are very good options. It all comes down to your personal preference on what you like aesthetically, as well as your sound profile that you like, and even the typing feel that you want. So the group buy of the JRIS75 is currently running until 12 March 2023. There is a limit of 3,000 units worldwide, and the group buy will be closed earlier if this quota is achieved. As for fulfillment, Rebult Keyboards says that it will be shipped starting July 2023, so that's not too long of a waiting time, which is great for the hobby overall. And that is our review of the JRIS75. If you like this keyboard, you should join the group buy as soon as you can because it will be closed earlier if the 3,000 limit is reached. As usual, we will leave you guys with a sound test of the JRIS75. The configuration will be shown on screen, and enjoy. This has been Andrew, and like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here on this channel and Nextrift.com.